Welcome to the December property market comment, and what an extraordinary year it's been, and it looks like 2021 will be recording a record number of transactions despite the pandemic. The combination of COVID and Brexit, the Suez blockage and the gas pipeline crises have all played their part in creating shortages across the economy and pushing up prices. And with inflation racing towards 5%, well, there was talk that the Bank of England would increase its base rate from the current low, remarkable low, of 0.1% only. Now, the idea would be to take the edge off the confidence that people have to spend. But it's this confidence, as well as people reconsidering their lifestyle needs, that have pushed up the average property price by nearly 7% this year, with 1 in every 16 residential properties changing hands. But maybe an interest rate rise can be avoided as the new Omicron COVID variant slows down that rate of economic recovery possibly. But as estate agents, we've got a problem. We've sold pretty much everything that was available, many of them well over asking price as well. And whilst this is a nice problem to have, we're now desperately short of stock, which nationally is 46% down on last year in relation to the number of buyers looking, which is 28% above the 5-year average. Now, you may have seen in the press that there are currently 24 buyers registered for every property for sale. But this doesn't mean that you might struggle to find somewhere to move to. It all depends on your ability to move. So don't delay putting your property on the market, especially this year, because you might struggle to find somewhere apparently, as 30% of sales happen off market. They never reach the portals even. In other words, we always have properties where the seller tells us that they'll sell if we have the right buyer. And the right buyer is usually one of our own sellers whose property is under offer to a cash buyer. So we say, have a little faith. If you have any thoughts of moving, please don't be deterred. Just call us and we'll happily come over and advise you on your options. You might be pleasantly surprised.